What are you doing, Ben?
On.
What are you turning on?
What is that?
TV.
Ah, it's a TV.
Here, can I have it?
I have it.
Can I have it?
I have it.
Say, here you go.
I want mine.
Oh, it's okay.
It's not something he's gonna give up.
Do you want me to fix it?
No, mine.
That's yours.
All mine.
Oh, the phone's ringing, Ben. It's for you.
Here I go.
Thank you.
Mine.
Who is
What
it?
is it?
The phone.
It's the phone. Say hello.
Okay.
There you go. Say hello. I think it's Auntie.
Look.
Up, say hello. Say hi, Auntie.
Hello.
Who is it?
The auntie.
It's
It's
Auntie. What is she saying?
Want to open it?
Is she talking to Gabby?
The off. Mama.
It's off, yes.
Hello.
Who is it? Is he calling somebody?
No.
Okay, say bye-bye.
Want to have it? Open it? Open it?
He's not calling anybody yet.
Oh!
It's an incoming call. Who is that?
I don't know. What did you do?